everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Hope everyone is doing great. Views in front of you right now, LaserJet 100 color MFP M175a color LaserJet printer, guys. The issue is with this printer, it's not picking up the paper. Okay, we will fix this printer today, and I will teach you how can you fix it without taking it to any customer service center. Watch the complete video and follow the same step. Okay viewers, here we go on the dashboard. If I will go to menu, settings and reports, I will print splice status report. Okay, it started printing splice status report. As you can see, printing document, and you will see the feeder roller is rotating, but it's not picking up the paper. I'll press OK again. You will see it is asking here. Okay, here is the feeder roller. It's asking that add paper and press OK. Paper is added, but it's not able to feed. I will zoom it and you will see. We will fix this feeder roller, and I will tell you how can you fix this easily at home or at office. You will see in close-up view. No, it's not feeding. Yes viewers, this is very narrow path inside. We cannot move our hand inside this place to remove this pickup roller. You will see we have to remove this, and I will tell you how to fix it. So how to remove? First, with the help of flat screwdriver, move it little bit down. Okay, it's little tricky, so follow the same step. Don't damage this rubber. Okay, move down a bit more. Okay, here we go. Because we have to visible these two locks, one on the left side and the one is on the right side. I with the help of flat screwdriver, I push little with a little force down to visible these locks. Now the left lock and the right lock, with the both hands or both flat screwdriver, you will see I will it will not take long. Just concentrate and look how I am doing. Why is getting delay, because my second hand is with my mobile. Miss viewers, I used my both hands with two flat screwdrivers. I now I'm able to remove these two locks, and this will come we can pull this feeder roller from here and from this side also. Okay, this look, as you will see, this is the feeder roller, and this side of roller is very glossy, not able to feed the paper. I will tell you how to fix this feeder roller with the trick way. No need to replace this rubber. I will remove this rubber from this plastic, and this side of this roller is still new. Okay, this is still new, didn't used. I will put this side on the front, and the front side will bring here in the back. I will tell you how to do this. Okay viewers, with the help of flat screwdriver, I will remove this rubber. Okay, here I removed. Okay, this is the front side and this was the back side, and I will place back this rubber, converting the positions. Okay, the front side will go back and the back side will come in the front. Okay, just place it. Okay, here we go. Fine, make it little clean with the help of napkin, and look, it will come like this. Now we will place back this feeder roller to the printer and hope it will work. Now viewers, with the help of my two fingers, I will put it back like this. I will zoom it, hold on, like this. Okay, you have to make sure that there are two hooks in the feeder roller. The big side, it will come down, and the small tiny lock will come on the up. So you have to make sure that hold it with your two fingers like this, and take your hand in and just push it. Okay, look, you will hear the sound also. It's fixed well. I'm hopeful that you can do this very easily, not big difficulty. These things, I'm just telling you, no need to open and disassemble all the printer. Just with the help of two flat screwdriver, there are two locks on the one right on the left. You have to pull back and this will come out. Then replace the rubber or feeder rubber, or if you don't have the new one, just reverse the side. Front side will go to the back and the back will come to the front, and then with the help of with your hand put it back. Now we will turn on our printer and we'll check is it feeding or not. Yes, after place back, we came again to our dashboard. We'll go to the reports, demo page, splice status page. We will print splice status page, and before it was not feeding. Now see, it is feeding. Okay, look, it's feed on the first attempt. Okay viewers, this method will work 100%, and now you will see it will print the splice status page. You can see, here we go. This is a splice status page, viewers. Our printer is fixed now. If you have the same issue, you can fix it at home. Don't take to the any service center. Hope you understand the method. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply the questions. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.